Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome back guys, welcome to my channel. So right now, I am at Greenville roundabout, heading down Winston Jones Highway. So enjoy the ride. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So yes, my people, cool Mandeville, Manchestr. So I know a lot of persons travel on this road, coming from St. Elizabeth side, going to Kingston. All have to travel on Winston Jones Highway. Also, it's a very speedy road. You have to be very careful. A lot of accidents take place on this road, so we have to be careful when driving on Winston Jones Highway. Yes guys, remember to give this video a big thumbs up. So if you turn right, you will head on to Wards Avenue, take you back to Mandeville town. On your left, if you make a left turn, it will take you all to Greenville. So the next left turn will take you to Town, also to Greenville. On your right will take you to Marshall's Pen. In Mandeville, whether new or used car. And also on Winston Jones Highway, you can get the cheapest gas at the Petcom gas station. So this is the Petcom gas station. This is where you can get the cheapest gas. can go to Mile Gully. If you make a left turn, will take you to Mile Gully side and also to New Green. So if you want your freshy fruits, you can come to New Green roundabout. There's a lot of fruits there. You can get your guinea, your pine, orange and mangoes and apple, organic. As you can see, speed kill. Right now, so please enjoy. Highway, you can get a nice view of the Mud Lake. Very nice view. Lake. On your left, sorry about that, on your left you will have the Mud Lake. Sorry about that. So if you make a left turn, it will take you all to Kendall, also to Kendall campus, and also to Christiana. Back in the days, people would say Manchester would be the coolest parish, but I don't think so anymore. Having some bumpy ride right now, so please enjoy. crossing Russell Place off Winston Jones Highway. In wholesome country, so we are very close to the wholesome bakery. Approaching Williamsfield roundabout in Manchestr. So I'm gonna take you all to Williamsfield. Just in Williamsfield, Liquor Town right now. Yes, my people. Thanks for watching. Yeah, man. You know, in Williamsfield they have a oil change station and also a coffee factory in Williamsfield, Manchestr. So on your right you have the coffee factory